Hi.
Hello.
Oh no! Would you look at this mess? This is terrible. This is unacceptable. She should be putting her toys away after she finished playing. Whoa! Ouch!
Oh no, you got hurt because too many things are scattered all over the place.
Exactly, your room must be clean at all times after you finish your activity.
We can barely move around, let alone play.
Hold on. I think someone is coming.
Everybody, lay low.
Oh my gosh, Noni, would you look at this messy room? Your toys and books are scattered all over the place. Your toys must be sad. Teddy looks sad. Cowboy looks angry. Princess looks sad. You need to clean up now, okay? Here is the broomstick so you can sweep. And here's the vacuum so you can clean up the dust.
I'm cleaning.
Need help?
Yes, please. Thank you. What are we waiting for? Let's start.
Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody do their share. Wash up, while we sing this happy song. Scrub your hands and dry them off. Keep them clean and strong. Pick up, let's put everything away. Put it back where it belongs for another day. Sit down, clap your hands up oh so high. When the day is over, we will say bye-bye.
Now that your room is clean and neat, your toys look happy too. Keep it up, okay? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Noodle Kidz channel.